Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and in today's video, we're going to take a look at the Zendure ANC True Wireless Earbuds. We're going to do an EBPMAN style audio test so you can hear exactly what I hear. We're also going to do an EBPMAN style call quality test so you can see how well these sound when making phone calls. Let's get right to it. Now, before taking a closer look at the Zenpods themselves and what's in the box, let's check out some of the specs that we see here. First of all, these do support Bluetooth 5.0. They have a battery life of 6 hours, and they can be charged 3 times in the case. And it also has an IPX rating of 5, which means you can use these to work out. In the box, you're going to find some gel pieces so that you can switch the earpieces, your charging case, as well as your Zenpods. Now, as you take a closer look at the case itself, you'll notice that it does support USB-C for charging, which is great. It does not support wireless charging. It's relatively small, a very small case, very similar to what you would see with the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. So I like that they're very pocketable. As we open them up, you'll see the Zenpods here. They are magnetically locked in place. Nothing's going to come out easily. The earbuds themselves, as we take them out, they do use kind of like the stem model that you see with Apple. So these are going to go in your ear, right? And then basically you can see the contact points right there for the actual charging itself. So we'll go ahead and put these in our ears so you can see what they look like. So this is what it'll look like if I turn right. And this is what I'll do as you turn left. Now, from a noise isolation perspective, you do get some noise isolation. In this case, the gels that I'm wearing are not really filling my ear canal, so I can hear some of my, I can hear myself speaking at this point. So you can switch some of the gels to get a larger earpiece so that you can get more of a immersive, I would say, passive noise canceling experience. Now, these do have active noise canceling. All the buttons or all the controls are on the device itself. So if you press and hold, you'll go through the different cycles of being able to go into noise canceling or not. But it doesn't have one of those really tight seals, at least in my experience, even switching some of the earpieces. Your experience may be a little bit different depending the size of your ear canal. Now, as we take a look again, going from left and then to right, you notice that they don't really have a large profile. They disappear really nicely. From an audio perspective, you do have bass, mids, and highs are present. For me specifically, because of the lack of seal for my ears, you're still getting some ambient noise around you, which is good if you're going to use these for working out. But as you know, if you have a looser seal, you're not getting that super immersive experience. But the audio quality is really good. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to a audio test so that you can hear how these sound. Let's get right to it.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like, oh yeah.
Acting stupid, being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. Going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, nah, trip.
It's not you, it's me, you see. It's not love or passion. There's something desperately wrong with me. It's not fair to you, I know, and I'm sorry I can't let it go. There's something desperately wrong with me. Hush, don't tell me what's going on.
Now we're doing a call quality test of the Zendure Zenpods in a quiet environment. If we take a look at our decibel readings, anywhere from 22 to 30 decibels in noise. Let's go and switch. Now this is what the call quality would sound like when making a phone call on the Zendure Zenpods in a quiet environment. This is a test, 1, 2, 3, this is a test. This is what the Zendure Zenpods sound like in a quiet environment.
Next, we'll go into a noisy one.
So now we switch to a noisy environment. As you can see by decibel readings, we have anywhere from 40 all the way up to 82 decibels in noise. What we're going to do is we're going to switch to the Zenpods. We're going to stay quiet to see how much noise they're canceling, and then we'll continue with the local test. Let's go ahead and switch.
This is what the call quality will sound like in a noisy environment when you're making a phone call with the Zenpods. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. This is what the Zenpods sound like in a noisy environment.
Now, from an active noise canceling, these remind me a lot of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live because of the Buds Live are open ear. When you turn on the active noise canceling, it's not going to be as immersive as some of the other solutions that actually go deeper in your ear and actually seal everything around you. So all you do is you just press on the side, on the top of the earbud, and what ends up happening is you will hear a voice come on. It will say ANC on or ANC off. So for me, because of the seal, I really didn't get that immersive active noise canceling experience. So guys, the Zendure Zenpods ANC have 6-hour battery life. You can charge them 3 times. They have an IP rating if you want to work out. But if you're looking for additional earbuds or you quite haven't decided yet, check out these playlists because we have lots of audio products that may suit